Hello everyone, and so today we are going to unbox a 10.1-inch tablet from the company called Lava, and this tablet name is the Lava Magnum XL. And so let us check the specification of this tablet, which is given on the back side of the box. When we check the specifications, it says it contains a 1.3 gigahertz quad-core processor. It is a 10.1-inch HD IPS display. It has a 2 GB RAM and 16 GB ROM, and it contains a 2 GB RAM and 16 GB ROM, and it has a 5000 mAh battery, and it has a 5 megapixel rear camera and a 2 megapixel front camera. And we can insert even a SIM which is even 4G. And so when we see on the pricing of this tablet, we can get this tablet for about 9500 in the offline stores. And so let us unbox this tablet. On the top we get the tablet. Let us keep it aside. And inside we get a micro USB cable, a charger brick, which is about 5 volts and 2 ampere, and we get some user manual and some warranty cards. Let us keep everything aside. And so this is the tablet, and on the top we get some protector. Just keep it aside. And so let us boot this tablet. So it is already booted. So let us check what are there on the surroundings. On the top we get a micro USB cable, and so we can insert the SIM and the SD card here. And at the side we get nothing. At the back we get a dual speaker and a mic, and at the side we get a volume key, a power button, and a headphone 3.5 mm headphone jack, and a mic. So at the back we get a 5 megapixel camera. Here we get a Lava branding. And so when we see at the front, we get a 2 megapixel camera. So I have downloaded some of the apps in it, and so let us go to the settings. So when we go to the system, we go to the about tablet, and so it runs on Android 8.0, which is Android Audio. So I had even downloaded the CPU Z app. Let us open it. And so when we see, it says it runs under the MediaTek MT6735 1.3 GHz quad-core processor, and it contains about 4 cores, and it contains the board of T101, So it says its Android version is 8.1.0, and its security patch level is about 2019 to 5, means February 5th. So let us go back and concentrate on the camera. So they say that it has a 5 megapixel camera. So let us take this one as and so we have took shot. So let us check the selfie camera. So we have taken some shots. Let us check it. And so this is the picture taken from the front camera. It's an average camera, and this is a shot taken from the back camera. So there is a light fallen. It does not contain the flashlight. And so friends, this was the unboxing of the Lava Magnum XL, which is a 10.1 inches tablet. And so please subscribe our channel, and please like this video.